It's okay, Rex. We don't judge people based on their mics.
What, you don't like the polar bear in the snowstorm?
Is that code for something?
You've never... You know when old TVs used to make that thing, like... You know.
No, but please do explain.
the...
Yeah, okay. But what did it sound like?
I just told you. When it was like black and white, it was like...
Yeah, the static.
Okay, yeah, so it...
Yes, thank you.
I couldn't really hear the sound, though. It was a little staticky.
That's what people used to say. It was a polar bear in a snowstorm.
I don't think anybody said that, but I'll
Yes,
take
they
your word for it.
did. All the Georgians did.
Well,
Oh.
because Georgians have never met a polar bear in a snowstorm. I mean, seriously.
Neither have Tennesseans.
I would not doubt that, but we don't have silly phrases like that.
You just sounded like a robot for me. I don't know what happened.
How?
Bullets.
What?
I'm gonna flosh that guy. Flosh? I'm gonna
Hello,
flosh him.
Flosh.